Hi everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a new repository on GitHub using the plus sign on the web interface. It's simple and straightforward process. Let's get started. Step-by-step guide. Step 1, sign into GitHub. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Sign in with your GitHub account if you aren't already logged in. Step 2, locate the plus sign. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You will see a plus sign next to your profile picture. Click on the plus sign. Then step 3, select new repository from the drop-down menu. Select new repository. Step 4, fill the repository details. You will be taken to a page where you can fill the details for your new repository. Repository name. Enter a name for your repository. This should be unique to your account. Example, my new repo. Description. Add a description for your repository to let others know what it's about. For example, this is a new repository, public or private. Choose whether you want your repository to be public or private. If it's public, anyone can see this repository. And if it's private, you choose who can see and commit to this repository. Initialize this repository with a README. Check this box if you want to add a README file right away. A README file is a great place to start with documentation. Step 5, create the repository. Once you have filled in all the details, click the green Create Repository button at the bottom of the page. And that's it. You have successfully created a new repository on GitHub. Using the plus sign, you can now start adding files to your repository and collaborate with others to enable GitHub pages. Click on the Settings tab, scroll down to the Pages section. In the left sidebar, in the Source section, select the branch you want to use for GitHub pages, usually main or GH pages. Click Save. View your site. After a few moments, your site will be available. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more GitHub tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time.